Hey. One more video to go. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheryl. If you're new, welcome to the C Squad. Over here we cover all things transfer student and living your best life as an international student in the UK. So if you like the sound of that, then hit the subscribe button below, follow me on Instagram and join the fam. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again. So today I'm going to be telling you guys all about the essential clothes that you need to pack for university. So if you came here expecting me to talk about skirts and shorts and denim jackets and all this stuff, click out of the video. I study in the UK. It is freezing. We don't have that in this video. But I am thinking about doing an outfits to wear like what I used to wear when I was at Fits, because obviously it was a lot sunnier here, so I could wear a lot of cuter clothes. So yeah, if you guys want to see that video, then comment down below. Actually, comment purple hearts down below, and then I'll feel you. But otherwise, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you guys absolutely need are sweatpants. I live in sweatpants. I sleep in sweatpants. I go to lectures in sweatpants. I walk around in sweatpants. I even go into Brighton and the mall in sweatpants. Sweatpants are just my thing these days. And honestly, it's so ironic because I said to like my friends at Fits, like if you ever catch me coming to school in sweatpants, know that something is wrong, please call an ambulance. Like, I was literally that person. My style at Fits, I would say, was on fleek, but at Sussex, I really don't care. I have too many things to be doing. I have laundry, I have cooking, I have lectures. It's a lot, so I wear sweatpants. So I would definitely recommend getting some university merch. I have my Sussex sweatpants, which I love, and then I also have my Waves Cheer and Dance sweatpants, which are so cute. And then I just have a bunch of other plain sweatpants. I think I have like 5 pairs of sweatpants, but I'm thinking about getting 2 more because I don't think that's enough. And then the next thing is sweatshirts. You guys need sweatshirts. It's gonna be cold. So here's one of my sweatshirts. This one is from Forever 21, and yeah, it's just a really plain sweatshirt. Obviously, you guys have seen me wear my Sussex University sweatshirt that I wear all the time. I've been wearing it during holidays. I sleep in it once again. Like literally, I rock it like nothing else. So yeah, I have a couple of these, but most of them are in the UK because I packed for summer. And now I'm stuck here in winter, but it's fine. Then if you want to be a little bit cuter, I've got these cropped sweaters. I also have a green one that I got recently from Factory. It was in my winter nighttime routine video, so if you haven't seen that, you should check it out. It will be linked down below. But yeah, I've got a couple of cropped sweaters so that it's like still a little bit cute, but functional. Then you definitely need a big puffer jacket and a bomber jacket. So this is my favorite bomber jacket. I think it's from Cotton On. Yep. And I used to wear this all the time at Fits. Like I wore this like every day. It was really bad. And this lasted me until like maybe November, and then it started to get way too cold to wear this. And so then I moved on to this puffy jacket with a hood, and this one is from Fashion Nova. I do have another one, but it is in the UK, but it's like really cute. It's got like fur on the neck and stuff, but it doesn't have a hood, which is why I wear this one more, because obviously it rains a lot in Brighton and sometimes I don't feel like carrying an umbrella, so that's why I like this one. Then anyone who knows me knows that I love crop tops. Crop tops are a vibe. I hope they never go out of style. Like crop tops are the best. So here's one crop top that I'm wearing. And so yeah, unfortunately with the way that UK weather works, most of the time, even if you're wearing like a cute little crop top, it's gonna be under a sweater and then under a puffy jacket. So most of the time you can't really see it, but crop tops are also just really nice to walk around in the flat with, and some really cute crop tops you can wear out. So yeah, I pack a lot of crop tops. And then something a bit more functional, I love bodysuits. That is another thing that I hope doesn't go out of style, because I already have a lot of them and I don't want to waste my money. So guys, let's keep wearing bodysuits. So this one you guys have seen plenty of times, but this is a little bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing. And my tip, wear long sleeve ones. Long sleeve ones will save your life. And also right before I left the UK, I had ordered some turtleneck bodysuits, so like long sleeve and turtleneck. I just got plain colors. I got black and I can't remember if I got nude or white, but I got one of those. And yeah, unfortunately I didn't get it because I had to come here, but I feel like these are actually more practical because depending on the weather, you know, Brighton is a sunny city. Sometimes I can get away with wearing this and then wearing my puffy jacket, and then I don't have to like wear a sweater over it. So sometimes that works, and yeah, you'll be looking cute. Then obviously you need pants, jeans, leggings, that whole vibe. I do really like wearing ripped jeans, so I have a pair of black ripped jeans that I got from Factory, and then these are my blue ripped jeans from Fashion Nova. And then I am wearing some plain black pants, if you can see. These are also from Fashion Nova, and so these are just, it's nice, casual, and especially I like wearing the ripped jeans because it looks like I made an attempt. Do you know what I mean? Like it looks like I look nice, so a must. Then the absolute love of my life, sweater dresses. Okay guys, hear me out. I am not like a girly girl. I don't really like wearing like dresses and stuff. I do have a few dresses, but I hardly ever wear them. But I really like the sweater dresses because I feel like it's a bit more tomboy than, you know, regular dresses and stuff. And also they're like super functional. Like this is a full long sleeve and it probably goes down past my knees, and so when it's cold you just put, well, what I would usually do is I would wear a thermal vest under this, or a long sleeve shirt under this, and then I would wear some thermal leggings and my puffy jacket, and I will be set. So I have like, I think 5 of these. I think 2 of them are short sleeve. And then I have one really cute black one, and this one, oh yeah, then I have a gray one. Yeah, these are all like super warm and I absolutely love them, so you should go and get some. Then you definitely need some type of fancy dress because there's probably going to be like a fancy event or something. For me it was winter ball, and if you guys watched my winter ball vlog then you guys saw what I was wearing. I might insert a picture if I like it. And yeah, and then I actually went to the Waves Cheer and Dance Christmas dinner, which was once again like wearing, you know, like a fancy dress. And obviously you don't want to wear the same thing that you wore at another event because people will see you wearing the same dress. So yeah, I actually wore this dress I got from H&M for my 18th birthday. I'll insert a picture here. And so that's what I wore for that dinner. So yeah, just make sure you have some type of fancy dress to wear. And then in terms of what to wear when you go out clubbing, I actually want to do a separate video of outfits and different things that you can wear. And yeah, so that video will be coming hopefully when I get back to the UK, because obviously my going out clothes are there because I was coming for lockdown, so I don't have most of my stuff here. So yeah, but that video will hopefully come soon. Then don't forget to pack a dressing gown or a robe. This really helps if you are in a shared bathroom because then you can, like, you're not basically running around naked. You know what I mean? Like, it just makes your life easier if you feel uncomfortable just like holding a towel and stuff. Like, definitely get one of those. And also just in general, when it's cold and you're going into the kitchen, I don't know why, the kitchen is the coldest place ever. Sometimes it's just nice to put on a nice dressing gown over your pajamas, and yeah, so definitely get that. Then onto shoes, guys. Sneakers, sneakers, sneakers. Okay, I survive in sneakers. I don't think I really wear anything else. These are probably my 2 most worn pairs. So yeah, Adidas. Converse has like the most comfortable shoes ever. Like, I literally only go out clubbing in Converse. They're so comfortable. I don't know why my Adidas are not that comfortable. Like, they get sore like after a couple of hours. So yeah. And then I am thinking about getting some Air Force Ones as well, so those are a great option. But yeah guys, just keep it simple. Like you're walking around campus, like no one cares what you really look like. So yeah, just have some comfortable shoes. Then for winter, having some boots is very nice. I don't have my boots here, they're in the UK. But yeah, get some boots, like plain black, keep it simple, goes with everything. Then carry some flip-flops or some morning shoes. For example, because I was sharing a bathroom, sometimes you don't want to be walking on the bathroom tiles and stuff, and sometimes like bathroom floors are wet anyway. So I had like slippers that I would like, they were specifically slippers. They were like my shower slippers basically, yeah. And then obviously morning shoes are nice to just go into the kitchen, because once again, like I wouldn't go into the kitchen barefoot. And also sometimes you can go wearing socks, but I recommend you just wear shoes in communal areas, okay? So get some flip-flops, morning shoes. Then don't let these boys disrespect you and make fun of you. Wear your Uggs, guys. Wear your Uggs. I know I was definitely like the person who like judged people who wear Uggs and stuff, but they're so comfortable. Like, do you know how easy it is when you see like it's raining and it's cold and you're just like, I want my feet to be warm, so you just put on your little Uggs, guys. Don't let them make fun of you. I've sat in the labs and I've let them make fun of me, but I'm still gonna wear them. I don't even care. Then depending on whether you are a gym buff and you like running or working out and stuff, obviously you're going to need to carry running shoes. I carried my running shoes, but I don't run and I don't go to the gym, so I don't know why I did that. But yeah, you should pack some of those if you are into that. Then I highly recommend you carry 1 or 2 pairs of heels. I don't do heels. I wore heels at Matric Dance, and I said to my mom that that was the last time in this lifetime that I'm wearing high heels. Like, it's just not gonna happen. Even at my wedding, I'm wearing Converse. So, public announcement. But I do have, like the heel is like so short. It's not even a heel, it's like a wedge shoe, and it's probably like this high. That's literally the most that I can do. So I do have that pair, and it's just plain black, goes with everything once again. So obviously if you are going into like a fancy event and you need to wear nice shoes, that's what you should do. Then the last few things, guys, winter is cold. I think I have reiterated this enough times, but I would say carry some beanies. I carried like 3 different beanies. Carry scarves, gloves, thermal vests, thermal leggings, and some thermal socks. The thermal socks really come in handy. So yeah guys, that's pretty much everything. Those are my uni clothing essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the C Squad, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I post every Wednesday and Sunday at 5 p.m. London time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!